Hi, I'm Dipankar and these are 5 tips to help you write better content. First up is knowing your audience. Always understand where your audience is going to be, what your channels are and what their preferences are. Second, do the thorough research. Understanding about the business you're writing and understanding what the target audience is going to look like helps you make better decisions while writing those content. Third, always create a clear roadmap. While writing the content, don't forget what your roadmap is. Be precise to that roadmap because it helps you simplify your writing process. Fourth up is actually writing the content. Remember, simplicity is the golden rule. Always use the simplest of language to deliver clear and concise message that you want to communicate with your audience. In conclusion, start by knowing your audience, understanding their preferences, creating clear roadmap, and finalizing the content over rewrites and re-edits to give that clear message of what you want it to be. Comment below to let us know what else you want us to talk about, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.